Hello! You probably want to learn how to make simple Halloween decorations out of paper, quickly and without extra costs. Take a pencil, scissors, and a rectangular sheet of paper. Hold the bottom edge of the paper. Lift it up to meet the top edge of the paper. Make sure the edges match. Press down the fold with your fingers. Fold it in half by bringing one short edge to the other short edge. Press with your fingers where the paper is folded. Fold it in half one more time, just like before. Press the new fold with your fingers. Take a pencil and draw a pattern. Copy my steps. Don't press too hard with the pencil. Cut out the shapes along the lines you drew. Cut off the bottoms separately and the top separately. This is important. Carefully open the paper. You can make many of these chains and attach them together on the sides using adhesive tape. Now, let's make a garland called ghosts. Take a rectangular piece of paper. Fold the long side to the other long side. Press where it's folded. Now fold the short side to the other short side and press with your fingers. Fold the short side again and press the fold. Draw the pattern like I do. Cut the paper along the lines. Cut out the teeth. Open the paper. If you want a longer garland, you can glue some pieces together. How to make a paper decoration with spiders. You can use white paper if you don't have black. Fold the paper into 3 parts to make the base. Use a pencil to draw a new pattern. Follow what I do. Cut the paper along the lines. Open the paper. You can color the spiders with correction fluid or a white marker. Let's make a bat garland. Take some colored paper. Create the garland base template. Draw a pattern with a pencil or marker. Follow what I do. Cut the paper along the lines. Unfold the garland. If you want to make it longer, glue the bats together. Now, let's make a garland called Witches in Hats. Just like before, fold the paper the same way. But at the end, make one extra fold on the template. Draw another pattern by copying my moves. Cut the paper along the lines. Open the paper. Draw a belt and buckle on the hats. Draw the bottom of the hat and the witch's hair near the ears, and color the crown and the brim of the hats. If you want, you can glue the garlands together. Thank you for watching up to this point.